Good morning po, Tita Boneng. Ano po, we are 105 I and mag-interview po kami today.
Okay.
So, ang number one question po namin is, what languages or dialects are spoken in your culture and how important is your language in maintaining cultural identity?
Okay, good afternoon. I'm Flordenisa De Leon. The dialects spoken in my culture are Tagalog, English, and Sambal. These languages are important because they reflect my culture and tribal identity, rather. Especially the Sambal dialect, which highlights the uniques of our culture.
What's a common phrase or saying in your language that doesn't have a direct translation in English? And what does it mean?
A common phrase in our language is ya or awu.
Ang meaning ng po?
It means oo.
Oh.
What traditions are unique to your culture po?
All of our unique traditions is having a special day for our tribe, the Aita. On this day, we give them appreciation and praise as they were the first people to live in Zambales. We also promote their unique dress code, the bahag, and the curly hair, which we take pride in as Zambalenes. Okay. Another tradition is celebrating festivals in honor of our patron, Santa Monica and Apo Apang, for the Pinatubo Shrine.
Can you describe a traditional celebration or festival in your culture? What does it represent and how is it celebrated po?
Our traditional celebration and festival in Zambales, especially in Botolan, is very lively, colorful, energetic, and vibrant.
Okay. That's all.
It
Okay.
reflects the joyful and inspiring personalities of every Botoleño. And we warmly welcome everyone who wishes to join our festivities. This celebration is held every year.
What's a piece of advice you'd give to someone who wants to understand and connect with people from your culture?
The advice I would give to someone who wants to understand and connect with the people from my culture is to enjoy every moment you spend with them and embrace the culture with a smile. In this way, you will more easily understand the language and way of life, as the people of Zambales are very hospitable and welcoming to everyone.
Okay, that's all. Thank you po for being our guest today.
Yes.
So,
Welcome to our town, Botolan, Zambales.
okay, thank you po.